Lingportal Gentle Podcast to Fluency.
100 English sentences for your daily routine. Shadow and speak. Hello and welcome to Lingportal. This is your space to listen, to repeat, to shadow, and to learn English at a slow, natural pace. In this episode, I will speak slowly. I will use clear and simple words. I will repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice, practice your speaking, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we will talk about your daily routine in English. Not just single words, but full, natural sentences so you can use them every day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Why is this important? Because your daily routine is real. You know it. You live it every day. You don't need difficult topics. You can simply talk about your life. When you describe your day, you practice real English. English you actually use. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. This is how you start thinking in English and feeling more confident. Morning routine. Morning is the start of your day. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me when I pause. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up earlier. I stretch my arms and legs. I sit up and get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower. I put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I eat toast and eggs. I drink coffee in the morning. Sometimes I drink tea. I check my phone. I read my messages. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. Short monologue. Now tell a short story about your morning routine. Repeat after the pause. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. Then I leave the house. Well done. Commuting routine. Your way to work or school. Now, let's move to another part of your day. The moments when you travel to work or school. Let's shadow some simple commuting sentences. Listen and repeat after me when I pause. I wait for the bus. I stand at the bus stop. I check the time. I get on the bus. I find a seat by the window. I look outside. I listen to music. I enjoy the quiet morning. I walk to the station. I take the train. I get off at my stop. I walk the last few minutes. I feel the fresh air. I get ready for the day. Short monologue. Now speak about your journey in easy, clear English. Repeat after the pause. I leave my house in the morning. I walk to the bus stop and wait quietly. I get on the bus. I sit by the window and watch the city wake up. I get off at my stop. I walk to work. Well done. Afternoon routine. The afternoon is often busy. Let's shadow these simple sentences together. Listen and repeat after me when I pause. After lunch, I go back to work. I check my emails. I answer messages. I have a meeting. I write reports. I sit at my desk. I open my laptop. I keep my desk clean. I take a break at 3 o'clock. I make tea. I eat a small snack. I go for a short walk. I get some fresh air. Sometimes I study English. I listen to a podcast. I read an article. I repeat short phrases. Shadowing helps me learn. Short monologue. Now describe your afternoon routine in clear, simple English. Repeat after the pauses. In the afternoon, I work at my desk. When I check emails, I drink tea. Usually, I study English. Sometimes I take a short walk. You did it! Household routine. Let's move to another part of your day. The small tasks you do at home to keep your space clean and calm. Listen and repeat after me when I pause. I tidy my room. I open the windows for fresh air. I wipe the table. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I take out the rubbish. I do the laundry. I hang the clothes to dry. I fold the clean clothes. I sweep the floor. I water the plants. I make the bed. I organise my desk. Short monologue. Now tell a short story about your household routine. Repeat after the pauses. In the afternoon, I usually tidy my room and make my bed. Then I go to the kitchen to wash the dishes. Sometimes I take out the rubbish or water the plants. I keep my home clean and comfortable. Great job. Evening routine. Evening is a time to relax. Listen and repeat after me when I pause. I come home at 6 o'clock. I take off my shoes. I sit down to rest. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. I wash the dishes. I go for a walk. I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10:30. Short monologue. Now speak about your evening routine. Say each sentence after the pause. In the evening, I come home. I cook dinner. Then I eat with my family. We talk and laugh. After dinner, I read a book and go to bed. Nice work. Weekend routine. Now let's talk about your weekend routine, your calm days, your slow mornings. Listen and repeat after me when I pause. I wake up a little later. I stretch slowly. I make a nice breakfast. I drink my coffee calmly. I meet my friends. I go to the park. I walk and enjoy the day. I visit my family. I go shopping for the week. I cook something special. I watch a film in the evening. I relax at home. I plan the week ahead. I feel ready for Monday. Short monologue. Now let's practice a short weekend monologue. Say each sentence after the pause. At the weekend, I wake up later. I have a quiet breakfast. Sometimes I go for a walk or meet friends. In the evening, I relax and watch a film. Excellent. Now let's put it all together. Morning, afternoon, evening. These moments make your daily routine. You can shadow these sentences many times. You can create your own story. You can make English part of your day. Slowly, calmly, naturally. Remember, 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, and soon you'll have a full story. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Come back, listen again, shadow again, and let your English grow with Lingportal.